Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Coupon Topic Tuesday video. I have a whole bunch of these that I will have linked in a playlist in the description box below. So definitely check that out if you're new to my channel. I'm also up for suggestions for new topics or questions you'd like for me to devote a whole video to. So definitely leave those also in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get started with today's topic.
Today's video is going to be all about CVS Carepass. I'm going to try to keep it brief and to the point, but also give you the details that are involved. I was recently asked by one of you guys what my opinion of Carepass is, and I thought it'd be really good to actually just do a video to share with all of you. So when Carepass first came out, I really didn't jump on the bandwagon like all the other couponers were. I kind of just held off and wanted to see if this was something that was going to stick around or if it was, like a promotion that they were going to try. However, I think it's been around. I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's been like a year and a half, maybe even closer to 2 years. So I personally feel like it is a pretty good deal if you are a weekly or even a few times a month CVS shopper. If you're a really casual shopper and you stop in, once a month, I just don't know if the Carepass is going to be the best thing for you. So we'll talk about more about that at the end of the video, but let's go ahead and get into exactly what it is. So you do have to sign up for it. And when you sign up for it, you do have to pay for it right then. Now, if you sign up for it in store, if you're familiar with shopping at CVS, they would always ask you if you want to sign up for Carepass. And if you say no, then they give you this whole spiel, even though you just heard it last week and the week before and the week before that. So I went through that for a couple months. I was just like, no, I'm just not ready to do that. I'm just holding off. But eventually I did. And they actually, I believe the cashiers, I don't know if it's still this way, but they got a little incentive for getting people to sign up. So if you can, I would go ahead and do it in your store. When I signed up, the cashier was like so excited and he was like fumbling around trying to get the information out and like he was so excited. And then he also told me that they were getting in trouble for not getting enough people to sign up. So I don't know if that part was true or not, but if you can, try to sign up in store. So it is a program that you do need to fill out information and go ahead and sign up for. So there is a fee. It is not a free program. So you will pay $5 a month and you put that on a card. So that way it automatically gets billed $5 per month, or you can pay the yearly amount of $48 and save a little bit there. And that's something that I did. That was why I wanted to just hold off and just wait and see if it was something I really wanted. So $48 for the whole year. The huge incentive, really what got me to do it, was every month you get a $10 CVS Extra Care buck. So that's really what pulled me in. If they would get rid of that benefit, I would ditch the Carepass because I don't do enough online orders or I don't use the other benefits. So that is really what got me there. But just keep in mind, it is a fee and you do save a little bit more money if you pay for the yearly fee. Keep that in mind that when the year rolls around, you will be charged for that Carepass yearly fee again on whatever card that you signed up with. So here are the other benefits that they advertise that the Carepass is for. So 20% off CVS Health brand products. I do not use that benefit a whole lot. Most of the time I'm buying name brand things and getting a lot cheaper than the CVS brand things, but maybe this is something that you'll use. Another thing they have is free same-day prescription delivery. I'm not on prescription, so I don't need this. But if you are, I feel like that's a really awesome benefit, especially for older people. That's probably what gets them to sign up. And then the free shipping, which is pretty cool. I have used that feature a few times. You do just have to be careful with certain deals with getting the free shipping because not all items qualify for the free shipping. But I recently just placed an order. It was just a small item to do my monthly beauty reward because I couldn't find it in store. And then I checked online and one of the items shipped for free with Carepass. So I was like, okay, this is great. I'm tired of looking for this thing in store. So I just was able to order that and get free shipping on that. And then they also offer the 24/7 pharmacy line, which I don't use that either. I have something through my insurance, my health insurance, and I can use. And then it says plus the monthly promo reward as a thank you. So that is like the huge incentive for me, that extra $10 a month when you're only paying, so you can pay the $5 if you want to just maybe try it out, and then maybe go for the yearly, but I think you're going to like it once you sign up for it. So currently, CVS is offering a try Carepass for free for 1 month. They did not have this available when I first signed up. I do not know how long this promotion will be going on for, but go ahead and give it a try. I'm assuming when you sign up, you'll at least get your $10 extra care buck. So, that right there is $10. So you might as well try it for free and cancel if you don't think you're going to use it. I will try to have that link down below, the link to get to this actual sign up. You might have to scroll down a little bit, but I'll try to get you as close as you can to it. But definitely take advantage if you're not a Carepass member. Just try it out and see how you like it. But like I said, it's $5 a month or $48 a year. So you do save a little bit by buying the yearly savings, but you might as well try it out for free. So there are a few pros and cons to the CVS Carepass. I am a fan, so I would definitely side on the pro side of the CVS Carepass pros and cons. So the pros are definitely all the benefits. It's really great. I feel like as long as you're a faithful CVS couponer, you will get your money's worth and you will be spending your rewards and possibly even taking advantage of the free shipping and things like that. Just something to keep in mind is when you're doing online CVS orders to try to utilize your free Carepass. Like I said, not everything works for free shipping. Sometimes it says you have to spend $35 even though you have Carepass. But if you add a free Carepass item, then your whole order ships for free. So that's pretty great. But when you're doing online orders, you cannot use extra care bucks to pay for it if you have a spend deal. I just messed up the other week. It was a Nexus deal. Spend $25, earn $10 back. I used my extra care bucks online to order that because there were some really great digital coupons. Well, I got my order and I'm like, I never got my extra care bucks back. So I'm like looking at my account and I'm like, I'm so dumb. I paid with my extra care bucks towards that spend deal. So then it counts as like savings and it doesn't get you to that amount. So it's kind of a frustrating thing that's kind of hidden that you don't know about unless you hear someone tell you not to do that. So that was it. I mean, I knew that. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking, obviously, but we all make mistakes, right? So just be aware of that. And then the cons to this, for one, I feel like is you just got to remember to use it because it is a digital extra care buck. I don't have all my extra care bucks digitally. They do show up in your account, but I personally like to hand over the paper extra care bucks. It just helps me keep track of them so I don't let them expire. So I do have to keep my eyes out on that Carepass to make sure it doesn't expire, and I have to make sure I remember to use it and put it into my scenarios when I'm getting ready to go check out. That way I remember, oh yes, tell them, yes, I want to use my Carepass. Because if you're checking out and you say, I want to use everything on my card and you forget your Carepass is there, they're going to use your Carepass and maybe potentially waste some of your money if you had a smaller transaction. So just be aware of that. And then it is an upfront cost, so you just kind of have to think of that also. Do you really want to make that investment? It's okay. You don't need Carepass. Definitely not. We went years of couponing at CVS without Carepass, but it is a little added bonus savings if you want to take advantage of it. And like we already talked about, the whole shipping issue and not being able to use extra care bucks definitely is a little bit of a con, but you do get the free shipping there. So it's kind of a good and bad side of that part. So that is all I have for you guys today about the CVS Carepass. I feel like it's pretty straightforward and easy program to take advantage of. If you have any further questions that maybe I didn't talk about, definitely leave those in the comments below. And I'd love to know if any of you guys also like Carepass. And if you thought of any other pros or cons to using Carepass, definitely add those in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.